Welcome. This is Venkatesh of KSR College of Engineering. I am dealing with the subject called entrepreneurship development for UG students. In that particular subject, I have a simple topic to present you all. The title of the subject is social responsibility of business. The social responsibility is a main factors that's going to be reflect in the industry which you are following as soon as it has a tendency to reflect in the society. So everyone in the business module definitely they used to have a social responsibility towards their not towards through the business kind of things. We have three philanthropists, that is corporate philanthropists. What they suggested is individual or family or foundation as to express their social responsibility, they can able to create a foundation for that. For example, there is plenty of trust kind of activities happening over there in every industry. As per the concern of education institutions, we have plenty of trustees kind of things. They start the business by means of in a social welfare kind of things. They referred as the trust. So every individual family have a foundation. Even the corporate have plenty of foundation kind of things. Second one is individual request. This individual request is focused on an individual person. It doesn't rely on any corporate kind of things. It's about the individual. We witness these kind of individual requests in plenty of real-time example. For example, any individual person who is running a corporate is associated with plenty of government activities and they are funding for us. So those kind of activities come under the individual buckets. And the third one is corporate social responsibility. This corporate social responsibility is meant for a number of corporates. Those guys who are here to start a business and explore a lot and create a plenty of revenue towards the subjects, those big shots need to contribute something to the society. So they a need of organization kind of things which tempted or which initiated to serve the particular region where they are located. So they can, it may be any kind of activities for conducting medical camps kind of things or offering free water facility. They can able to offer they can able to plant trees. So these kind of activities need to be done by the corporates to show their social responsibilities. Next one is corporate citizenship. These are the two things which come under the same heading, social responsibility. The limited view of corporate citizenship is they want to stick with their own logics, they want to stick with their own company, and they can able to contribute to the society. For example, they want to stick with the timing about 9 to 4 in a corporate, and beyond that they have leisure hours. In this leisure hour, they can able to they can spend for any other social responsibility activities. This is what limited view of corporate citizenship. And the equivalent view of corporate citizenship is how come we are able to manage, how come we are able to deal with the corporates in a regular basis. For example, when I have the tendency to work for say 5 days in a corporate or any industries, remaining 2 days I want to do some social activities towards the society. It's going to be there 5+2 activities. Next is extending view of corporate citizenship presence. This kind of activities which is happen or which is associated with the corporates. For example, if they are an educational institution, based on their aspect, they can able to contribute to the social responsibility. For example, they are going to plant a tree, they can able to clean the entire environment, they can able to send the students to library to assist some people who are needy, and they can able to send the faculties to train the nearer villages to explore a lot. It's not been that exploring a lot, they have the tendency to assist the people whom they are need to. And they have plenty of strategy we are following, that is reaction, defense, accommodation and proaction. We categorize the CSA activities in the 4 types: reaction, defense, accommodation, proaction. Reaction in the sense when there is flood happening, We are there to support the people. That's what the reaction is all about. And accommodation, we give a needy whom they are cannot able to accommodate their own belongings. For example, I'm not I'm saying that we can able to offer a home kind of things. We can able to offer them a budget kind of things, food kind of things when it is needed. When there are needed, we can able to serve directly to the people. That's what accommodations are about. In the defense, it's there's plenty of corporates whom the assisting the women's children's community to explore or to avoid from the abuses kind of things. They can able to have an toll-free number kind of things. They create an own app for these kind of activities is come under defense. And the proactive in the sense they doesn't want to wait for the something to happen. They react it before. In the sense when they witness this going to be flood going to happen in the next upcoming days, they can plan in a prior way and they extend the help priorly. That's what this kind of strategy. With this note, I thank you all. That's all from my end.